Hi everyone, today we're talking about growing plants in partly sunny and partly shaded spots in your Australian garden. And stick around until the end because I'm going to share what might be the perfect part shade plant. It's compact, low maintenance, and produces the most spectacular purple flowers that look like delicate pieces of lace. And if you're interested in Australian gardening, we've included links to some of our most popular gardening articles in the comments section below. Before we kick off, it's important to note that most plants actually prefer morning sun and afternoon shade in our climate. This is because that afternoon sun can be incredibly intense, and many plants, especially non-natives, will struggle with the heat and can show signs of leaf burn or wilting. Okay, so let's dive into some specific plants that will thrive in these conditions. First up, we've got the Banksia chinensis. This is one of the most versatile shrubs you can grow. It reaches about 2 meters in height and spread, produces masses of small white flowers from early spring through autumn, and adapts beautifully to different soil types as long as they're well draining. Next up is one of our outstanding natives, the lemon-scented myrtle. In cultivation, it typically grows to 3 to 4 meters tall and features glossy green leaves with stunning red new growth. The creamy white flowers appear in late spring and continue through summer, and as a bonus, the leaves have a wonderful citrus fragrance that makes this plant perfect near outdoor living areas. Now, let's talk about Banksias. These remarkable Australian natives are incredibly adaptable to part shade conditions. They range in size from ground covers to trees up to 5 meters tall, and their distinctive flower spikes can appear in various colors including yellow, orange, and red. These plants are also important for supporting native wildlife, providing food for numerous bird species. Before we move on, I have one big favor to ask of you. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It will only take a second and is the best way to support us. Okay, back to the video. Moving on to Boronias. These compact shrubs typically grow 1 to 1.5 meters tall and really excel in morning sun conditions. The key to success with Boronias is maintaining consistent soil moisture and good mulching. Some varieties like Boronia heterophylla produce beautiful pink to red bell-shaped flowers that are highly fragrant. Now let's talk about Correas. These native beauties come in various sizes from 30 centimeters to 2 meters tall. They produce bell-shaped flowers in white, pink, red, or green, and many varieties flower during winter, providing color when many other plants are dormant. For those of you who love flowering plants, let's talk about daylilies. They come in an incredible range of colors and sizes, from 30 centimeters to 90 centimeters tall. Each flower only lasts a day, hence the name, but each plant produces multiple blooms over an extended period. Another great choice is Dianella, with varieties ranging from 30 centimeters to 1 meter tall. These tough plants feature blue-green strappy leaves and produce clusters of small blue or purple flowers, followed by bright blue berries. They're excellent for mass planting and erosion control. Now, Grevilleas are available in sizes from ground covers to large shrubs 3 meters tall. While they might flower a bit less in partial shade, they'll still produce their distinctive spider-like flowers that are rich in nectar. The Robin Gordon and Royal Mantle varieties are particularly shade tolerant. Next up we have Hakeas, which are incredibly tough plants that range from 1 to 4 meters tall. They produce interesting flowers and woody seed pods, and many varieties have attractive needle-like foliage that adds texture to the garden. Let's look at Lomandra. These incredibly hardy plants typically grow 50 centimeters to 1 meter tall. They're perfect for mass planting, producing architectural, strappy foliage and subtle flower spikes. They're also extremely drought tolerant once established. Next up is the thyme honey myrtle, which is a compact shrub growing to about 1 meter tall and wide. Its bright purple flowers appear in spring and summer, and it responds well to regular pruning to maintain a dense habit. If you want to learn more about growing these fantastic plants, make sure to check out the articles we've linked in the comments section below. And I'd love to hear about your experiences with part shade plants. What's growing well in your garden? Drop a comment below and let's share our gardening knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.